How you going? I'm Troy Lovett from Lovett Landscaping, Design and Maintenance. We're here down at the Melbourne Exhibition Building for the Melbourne Home Show. We have a landscaping business, and we've done a small little courtyard in which we've done some bench seating here with some travertine paving. We're using 40mm drop-down pavers with some LED strip lighting and some spotted gum timber. We have also done some vertical walls with some Courtyard steel with different sizes as planting options for space saving. Space saving is obviously really important by having like little plants behind to give yourself a little bit of contrast and softening the area. Also, you can see here we've done some travertine stepstones through some artificial grass, which can also be used through real turf as well, or gravel as a clean option. As a raised garden bed over here, we've done some also some Core 10 as a small little planter box, which we can use as a garden edging or as a small retaining wall. Obviously, lighting is a big thing. Like I said, we've done the strip lighting and some lighting up the back, which creates some shadows. Also, we've got another business here at the home show. We've got Lovett Property Styling. So what we do is get properties ready for sale, or people just want to dress up their properties themselves. So we've got everything from cushions, throws, candles, and home decor. So please come down and say g'day. I'm Troy. I've got Rebecca here, my wife, and Joel here as well. So please come and say hello, and hopefully we can help you out. Thanks, guys.